Alright, first let's draw some grids. Alright, okay, so well, kind of a simple building here. Now like to fix the foundation right in here, so get into structure, found isolated foundation, and I like to place the foundation right at grid. So a simple method, all the foundation is okay, but so well, that's okay for now. We got the structure foundation right here, and then alright, let's try to place a column right there. So I'll be having a nice column and right at grid. Alright, that's okay, enable it. And also finally, let's place beams right there. So get into level 2, be considering beam, and okay, it's a nice section on the grid. Alright, that's also okay for now. And get into 3D view. Alright, I don't want to see any sort of analytical model here, so I can get into visibility graphics and turn off the analytical model. Alright, next let's see place a bracing right on grid 1 and grid 4. For that, getting into south elevation. Okay, I'll be placing the asset right on grid 1 and grid 4. So pick up bracing, grid 1. Okay, grid 1. Okay, I like to have well, do you have a round section here? Okay, then oh man, I'll hate physical drawing. So get into level 2, understand the grid, that'd be 4, and get into elevation. It could be like south elevation, or you can get into north elevation. It's up to you what elevation you want to pick. And gonna get into brace, a grid will be 4. Okay, then well, I can physically drop the things like that, or you know, you can copy that, but I'm not interested in copying assets, especially in Revit. Okay, so time consuming process. Right now I have drawn it, or you can copy that. I'll show you, copy that stuff. Okay, I will show you that. Deleting. I can select up all these assets. Okay, then get into level 2. I can copy, constrain, picking up well the grid 1 first grid here, and the second will be right at the midpoint of the stuff. Alright, get into 3D. You can see that's been here. Okay, that's so cool now. Alright, so now let's see what's kind of graphical column schedule. Right now that will show the schedule of these columns here. You can see the columns locations being given, the height of the column location 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, and all of these are column location. Right, so now if I try to well offset the column maybe just like 2 meters above, you can see that is updated right in here, and also the same case shall be updated well right in here also. Okay, alright, so that's all about graphical column schedule. Alright, it shows a graphical representation of all the column right inside of Revit structure. Okay, this is sort of a fucking definition. And also let's try to provide some connections here. Right in here, I'd like to apply a sort of base plate. For that, I like to open the dialog box for connection. Alright, so let's pick up the base plate, or base plate with cutter bolted, or whichever you like to pick up. Okay, and then connection. I'd like to pick up the base plate here, and I'll be picking up column and hit the enter key. Alright, okay, so give him some time to think. That will be showing the connection right there. Alright, okay, so what you can do to propagate all this connection into every column is right click, propagate connection. Alright, so that sort of connection is everywhere right now. So well, that's all about the base plate connection right here. Okay, you can just get into the modifying parameters, and you can get into here. You can weld, you can convert everything, or you can add up anything which you like. Weld, stiffener, and plate. Alright, I'm not getting into it as this one might get so complicated, and this one and all are self-explanatory. Well, you want to create a stiffener right there. Okay, so there's a stiffener right there, and stiffener is right there in every base plate. Great. So now let's care on what's happening right here. So this be like tube connection, and I like to pick up the single tube gusset with kidney hole. Okay, add it. I'm not using any of this thing, so I can remove it. Connection. Kidney hole. I like to pick up this bracing and the beam. Trying to hit the enter key. You can have this sort of connection right here is known as kidney hole and propagate connection. Alright, now let's see what's happening here. Beam and column. Connection drop down. Let me try a clip angle here. Okay, then connection, clip angle. Again, hold and control and picking up these two assets and hit the enter key. Yes, cool. Clip angle is okay, and I can propagate the connection. Oh wow. Okay. So yeah, that's it. There you can see everywhere you can see the clip angle was being there. Right, for this two beam and column arrangement, I would like to have a kind of knee of the frame and web. Okay, this sort of connection, and I'd like to pick up beam and column. Wow, propagated. Oh my god, that sort of connection has fulfilled up everything. So that's all about this kind of connection right in here. So now let's see what can be done right in here. I got a clip angle right in here, and I got a clip angle right in here. So that's how simple it is. As you might have seen how simple it's to create a kind of a steel building right in Revit structure.